See on the board, children. This is second problem in your paper. Show that 1a square a cube, 1b square b cube, 1c square c cube is equal to, we have to show like this answer. Very simple. In this determinant, we have to know only two formulas, that is a square minus b square, and the second one is a cube minus b cube. If you know the two formulas, then the problem is very easy. See on the board how to do the problem. I am taking LHS here. LHS, that is 1 a square a cube, 1 b square b cube, 1 c square c cube. As it said in the previous class, when we are getting ones in the column, we have to do row operations. Opposite to that, if you are getting ones in the column, row operations, ones in the row, then column operations. So now in this determinant, ones are present in column, so we are applying row operations. On applying, R2 tends to, R1 has to be fixed here, R2 tends to R2 minus R1, and R3 tends to R3 minus R1. Okay, from R2 we are subtracting R1. See, 1 minus 1, b square minus a square, b cube minus a cube. This is R2 and this is R1, R2 minus R1. Only R2 and R3 has to be changed here. The remaining are as it is, means first row is as it is. 1 a square a cube, this is as it is. 1 minus 1, what you will get? 0. I am not doing rough work because it is very easy now. B square minus a square, R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1, b cube minus a cube. Similarly, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1, you will get 0, c square minus a square, and here c cube minus a cube. Now we have to write b square minus a square formula and b cube minus a cube formula. After that, we have to take common. It is very simple here. See, I am writing here 1, here I am writing a square, here I am writing a cube, because we are going to write the formulas here, so that I am writing like this, 1 a square a cube. 0 is as it is. B square minus a square formula is b minus a into b plus a. Now b cube minus a cube formula is, b cube minus a cube formula is b minus a, starting is b, no, so that's why I am taking b minus a, b minus a into b square plus ba plus a square. This is the formula for b cube minus a cube. Similarly, 0, c square minus a square, c minus a, c plus a, c cube minus a cube means c minus a, c square plus ca plus a square. When you check this, in R2 b minus a is common. In R3 c minus a is common. I am writing here, taking common b minus a from R2, c minus a from R3. So the determinant is like this, 1, okay, sorry, we are taking common, no, so that we are writing first b minus a, then c minus a, then the determinant. Okay, 1 a square a cube, 1 a square and a cube, it is 0 and 0. Here I am getting, after taking b minus a common, b plus a, c plus a is there, b plus a, and here it is c plus a. B minus a taken common, c minus a is also taken common. These two we have to write, b square plus ba plus a square, b square plus ba plus a square, c square plus ca plus a square. So this is the determinant. Now what I am doing, on applying R2 tends to R2 minus R3. See what happened here, b minus a and C minus A as it is. Take the determinant. Only R2 is going to be changed here. 1A square A cube as it is. R2, now R2 is going to be changed. 0 minus 0, that is 0 only. Now we are subtracting. We have to do the rough work here. What is R2 second element? B plus A. Minus R3 means C plus A. Minus of C plus A. So what happened here? B plus A minus C minus A plus A minus A cancel. You will get B minus C here. B minus C. Now the third term is very easy to subtract. R2 minus R1. See, it is R2 and it is R3. B square minus C square. That is the first term here. B square minus C square. Check properly. B square minus C square. BA CA plus BA minus CA plus A square minus A square 0, no need to write. This is the third term. Okay. Now the last column is same, 0 C plus A and C square plus CA plus A square. This one is as it is. Okay. Then B minus A, C minus A, determinant start. 1 A square A cube 0 B minus C. See, it is B square minus C square means we can write B minus C into B plus C. B minus C into B plus C. Plus from this we can take A common, then you will get B minus C. 0 C plus A, C square plus CA plus A square. Okay, this is the determinant. When you see R2 row, B minus C, B minus C, B minus C, we can take B minus C common. Taking common B minus C from R2. Taking common B minus C from R2. Okay, B minus A and it is C minus A and it is B minus C. Taken common. So 1 A square A cube. The next thing is 0. When I am taking B minus C common, automatically in this place we have to write 1. B minus C is taking common, so B plus C, B plus C, B minus C is taking common, so plus A. Plus A. 0 C plus A, C square plus CA plus A square. So see in our answer A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Here we have to change little bit. B minus A is there, we can write B minus A as A minus B. One minus when we have to write in front of the bracket. So we can change afterwards. B minus A into C minus A, B minus C from through C1 because we are getting 00 in column 1. So through C1 we have to do the determinant 1 into eliminate the column and row. These 4 elements are left here. So when I apply the formula 1 into this one, so you will get C square plus CA plus A square minus C plus A within the bracket. This total is taking as A plus B plus C. This calculation you see here carefully. B minus A, C minus A, B minus C, C square plus CA plus A square. When I am multiplying with C here, minus AC minus BC minus C square. All the terms are having minus only. Now multiply with A here, minus A square minus AB minus AC. So which terms are going to be cancelled here? Plus C square minus C square plus A square minus A square cancel, and plus AC minus AC also cancel. What are the remaining terms here? B minus A, C minus A, B minus C. Here you are getting minus AB minus BC minus CA. See, one minus I am taking common from this, then automatically it will become A minus B. Minus is there. A minus B, B minus C present here, C minus A also present. From this again one more minus I am taking on, automatically plus it will become AB plus BC plus CA RHS. Problem is completed. See on the board again. This is our determinant. In this determinant, ones are present in column, so that we are applying row operations. R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, B square minus A square, C square minus A square, B cube minus A cube, C cube minus A cube. Check it. Simply we are writing the formulas here. After writing the formulas, if you observe B minus A common, C minus A common, we are taking common here. After taking common, this is the determinant. Now I am applying the row operation. R2 tends to R2 minus R3, R2 minus R3. From this I am subtracting this one. You will get like this matrix. Here you are getting B square minus C square. So instead of B square minus C square, I wrote B minus C into B plus C. From this I can take A common, A into B minus C. When I am taking B minus C common from this, automatically we will get A plus B plus C. See, this is the next step. So through C1, because 00 we are having in C1, no? So through C1 we are doing the determinant 1 into, eliminate the column and row, we are getting these 4 elements, AD minus BC. See, this is the AD minus BC, multiply it, so just cancel the terms and write down in a proper order, you will get the answer. This is your second sum. Thank you.